What is a certificate of structural adequacy? A certificate of structural adequacy is a document issued following the completion of the geobar works on your home. The certificate will include terms of appointment, description of damage to the property, cause of damage to the property, mitigation measures, description of the works completed. One of our chartered engineers signs off the work on your home and the document confirms that the works have been completed, exercising reasonable skill, care and diligence. So why is this so important? Well, a certificate of structural adequacy may help when obtaining a mortgage and home insurance, including subsidence cover. If the property has a documented history of subsidence, a valuer, surveyor or conveyancer may request a copy of the certificate of structural adequacy to prove the repairs have been completed. Mortgage providers can refuse to lend against a property where there is an active subsidence issue, so the document is very useful where you're looking to buy or sell a property with a history of subsidence.